This is what happens when you walk for 5 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes. Do you know walking is one of the world's best medicine? But unfortunately, it is the most overlooked activity in our life. As a health expert, I tell you, you may miss daily food, but you don't have to miss the morning walk if you want to remain physically fit and healthy. Today, we have forgotten to walk and we are using the transport for going one place to another. We are walking very less and we should complete minimum 1 hour daily. We must walk daily, that it's critical for us to walk more because it is good for our cardiovascular health, brain health, muscular health, and for overall our wellness. Pay attention to your body. Once we walk, your body does chemical changes. The longer you walk, once you realize those benefits, you will be inspired to walk more. The good thing is there are a whole lot of opportunity for us to walk every single day. You can decide to walk to the grocery shop instead of using car or motorbike. Right now, we are going to explore how walking for 5 minutes, 11 to 20 minutes, 21 to 45 minutes, and 46 minutes to 60 minutes. This can transform your health and make you feel great. Sounds good. Let's go to it. What happened once you walk for 1 to 5 minutes? The moment you step out of the door to take your first step, your body will release energy, producing chemicals to fire you up for walk. When you start walking, your heartbeat will increase from 70 to 100 beats per minute. This beneficial changes strong your muscles and boost blood flow. You will also find that stiffness reduces and fluid that your joint produce. This will help you to move easily. At this moment, your body starts to burn up to 5 calories per minute. Fats and carbohydrates will be used as fuel to burn energy. Now let's talk that what happened once we are walking from 6 minutes to 10 minutes. At this time, your heartbeat goes all the way from 100 to 140 beats per minute, and you will start burning up to 6 calories per minute. Right now, your blood pressure will spike up a little, but still gets counted by the release of chemicals. This will expand blood vessels. This then supplies more blood and oxygen to your working muscles. Look, as you walk more, your body, heart, and cardiovascular system will improve, and your body blood pressure loads in the long run. Now coming over from 11 minutes to 20 minutes. Right now your body temperature increases, and that's a good thing. Why? Because it's a primarily you begin to sweat and the blood vessels near the skin expand to release heat. As you walk become more intense, you will burn up to 7 calories per minute, and your breath will go deeper and deeper. At this point, two hormones, epinephrine and glucagon, rise to fuel your muscles. For the most part, epinephrine relief to asthma attack and allergic reactions. It is actually sold in the medical stores. The good news is you can get it free after a 20 minutes walk. Well, once you are walking continuously, then what happens from 21 minutes to 45 minutes? This is the point when your body releases to relieve your tensions and relax you further. This basically happens as a result of the release endorphins in your brain. The good thing is you will get to burning more fat at this stage, and insulin level drops significantly. This is great for people who are looking to shed away their excessive weight. So be sure to keep up if you are the one out of them. Now keep it up, ladies and gentlemen. At the last stage, from 45 minutes to 60 minutes, at this point, you are exceeding all previous benefits for more boosting blood flow, burning calories, and oxygenating to your body. During this time, the blood, it takes oxygen from your foot to the head. Every part that is covered, and the oxygen reaches over there. It is also good to know that you are also fortifying your heart, losing unhealthy fat, strengthening your immune system, increasing vitamin D level if the sunshine is there, and feeling happy. Moreover, studies have shown that walking is just as effective as antidepressant. It eases stress and anxiety. Who wouldn't want to experience these amazing benefits? The bottom line is try as much as possible to walk more often. You can even turn it into a daily routine. Your body will feel great at the end of the day, and that's what matters. Happy walking, happy walking.